If you are a working professional and you think that AI can't impact your job, then watch this video because you might change your opinion. So let's start with some facts. Earlier this year, IMF chief made a statement that in the next 2 years, AI will affect almost 40% of all jobs. Yes, all jobs in the world. The developed countries will have more impact than the underdeveloped ones. And if we look at this Microsoft news, 85% of the jobs will be transformed in the next 3 years, either automated or people will have to upskill or reskill, or maybe some roles would be created. See, AI is changing the job market. Your career will never be the same. And in this video, we'll dive deeper into the world of artificial intelligence and understand how it is silently transforming our lives. And we are not even realizing it. But before that, a question for you. Do you know Mika? I know what you're thinking. Mika Singh, the singer, right? Wrong. I'm talking about this Mika, the first ever AI humanoid robot CEO. Yes, Mika is a robot and she's a CEO of a company in Poland. She also addresses all her employees through an all-hands meet. Let's look at some more examples. This news presenter, Lisa, is not a real person. It's AI generated by Odisha TV news channel. Now look at this beautiful girl, Sophia. And Sophia is also not a real person. It's an AI created image which went viral. She had mentioned that she's a 24-year-old virtual girl living in Helsinki. Now imagine this. You're sitting on a chair in a saloon and there is a drone that is buzzing up and cutting your hair. Will you be comfortable with that? Well, maybe not today, but we don't know what will happen in future. And I'm sure some folks are already testing that. Well, when I was in US in 2019, I saw these cars, these driverless cars. There was a hesitation at that time, but today people are taking these rides and joining the driverless revolution. The future might have this as a norm. That is how AI can transform an industry. Do you use AI? Well, let's find out. AI has become an integral part of our daily routines, right from Netflix recommending you what you should watch, to your virtual assistant scheduling your meetings on your calendar, Alexa playing your music, or Siri telling you how the weather is going to be or how the traffic is going to be. AI has been integrated into our lives. But have you ever stopped to think about the broader impact of AI on our jobs? Well, one of the biggest challenges that we face with the rise of AI is the automation of the traditional jobs. Once humans used to do that, and now machines are doing it. And that is one of the major concerns, the risk of losing jobs or the displacement of jobs. So there was this prediction that AI would take away the blue-collar jobs or the level 1 kind of activities, right? Like maybe the carpenters, the drivers, the courier service. And then it would come to the white-collar job, the basic jobs like data entry, call center, and then the more complex roles like a creative designer or a content writer or a developer. But in reality, it kind of did just the opposite. ChatGPT can write content. It can create images in seconds. It can even write code. Maybe not the complex ones, but a human eye is needed to validate and check if everything is in place. Well, I feel that call center and data entry jobs are at the biggest risk by AI. AI chatbots, the IVR, these can actually eliminate these jobs completely. Even the courier services, you would have seen video clips where drones are delivering packages. Photographers, if you can make or create an image out of nowhere, then why do we need photographers and models, makeup artists, and all those studios where they do the shoots? Writers also have been largely impacted. If you look at this, the Hollywood Writers Guild went on strike when the production houses decided to use AI for script writing. So which are the roles which are not at risk? Well, I would say that AI would take some time for complex problem solving, creating a vision, having a strategy, having deep innovation, anything which is non-repetitive in nature. Now think about this. You go to a dentist and the dentist is a robot. Will you feel comfortable? What if the robot malfunctions? Then there's a huge risk. Similarly with a haircut, like I said, it's still risky. Anything which has emotions, maybe AI might take some more time. Like, a teacher, a counselor, a therapist, somewhere where you need to have that deep emotional connect with people. That's where maybe AI might take some more time. Well, I came across this site which I felt interesting. willrobotstakemyjob.com. I mean, you can check it out. You can see there is a score which is given for each role and what is the risk that is involved. Well, in my opinion, it's not all doom and gloom. AI will also create new jobs. AI will create new roles which we do not have today. And if you look at this article by World Economic Forum, there are roles like robot technicians, chatbot writers, moral and ethics officers, AI trainers, AI content developers. These are a few to name. So there would be new jobs which would be created, and we just need to understand how we can adapt to it. See, automation has been changing the way we worked for ages, right? We had the assembly line and then automation came in, but there were newer jobs which were created. So we don't need to fear AI. We need to ride this automation wave and take the business to the next level. We need to learn more about AI, deep learning, machine learning. We need to understand Internet of Things, RPA. We need to upskill, we need to reskill, we need to embrace this disruptive change. In summary, AI is reshaping the employment landscape that we are aware of. So it becomes essential for us to understand these changes, to understand what are the skills that are needed, and to adapt to these changes. Don't fear AI, embrace it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. And if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like the video and share it with people who need to watch it. Everyone needs to be prepared for this huge disruption that is about to happen. We don't have too much time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.